Now I'm going to explain how to create a new Facebook account. To start, open your original Facebook application. Then tap create new Facebook account. Here, tap next button. Now you can enter your first name and last name like this. After that, tap next. Now you have to provide your birthday. To create a Facebook account, you have to at least 18 years old. After providing, tap next, then select your gender type, tap next. Here, you can use your mobile number or email address. If you don't want to go with your mobile number, you can select email address option. Under that, you can enter your email address like this, then tap next. Now you have to enter a strong password. Like this, you can create a new password. As well as it is better if you can remember it. Then tap next. Finally just tap sign up. Then it is creating your account. Just wait a few seconds until it creating. After that, you can save your password. Tap save password option. Then you have to verify your email address. To verify, they will send a verification code to your new email address. If you open that email, you can see this kind of code or confirm your account button. Here I will enter my code here. Like this, you can enter it manually or you can copy paste. After that, tap continue. Then they ask to add a profile picture. Here I will skip that option too. Then if you want to upload your contacts, you can tap get started button. Then you can allow access to your contact list. Here I will skip that one too. After that, you can create your brand new Facebook account like this. Then it will show this kind of message. Once you create your Facebook account, it will automatically create a messenger account too. After, you can go to your Facebook profile like this. From here, you can customize your profile. You can add new cover photo, add new profile picture like that. You can customize it. That's how to create a Facebook account without any error. That's it. Later.